Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. See this pile? Ugly, huh? But I have created a beautiful table with it. Intrigued? Want to know how? Come with me. We start with the box. That's a cardboard box. This will become the base of our table. First, I closed one side of the box using the packaging tape. Since I'm making an elephant table, this box is going to be the body of the elephant. Here I'm gluing the flaps inside the box so that when we are building the table, they won't come in our way. We do not need accurate measurements for this project. It's completely discretionary. Here I am just making the markings where I want to draw the belly for the elephant and then front and the back of the elephant. Once I drew the shape of elephant's body, I cut it out. I am putting the flaps inside the box to give it extra support and make it stronger. Here I have used a piece of cardboard that is 17 inches long, and I have drawn lines that are 1 inch apart. I scored them so that I can roll the paper into a cylinder, because this is going to be the leg of the table. You can see here as I roll the cardboard around the circle, there is extra cardboard hanging out. I cut that out because I did not want to make leg fatter than what I have here. I filled this cylinder with lots of grocery bags so that it will give some weight to the legs and they will become sturdier. Couple of the legs of the cardboard did not stick together very well. There was gap remaining, so I had to stick a piece of cardboard to even it out. Here I am drawing a rectangle which will be turned into a flap that will go over the legs to close the opening of the base. You will see that little later. After making the flap, I stuck the legs in place. Here's that flap going over the legs and closing the opening of the base. Now we are starting to make the tabletop, for which I have used 3 foam board pieces and 1 cardboard piece. If you don't have foam board, don't go out and get it. You can use all cardboard pieces. I used the foam board because I had it. To make the edges of the tabletop even, I shaved them and then sanded them. I'm not going to be using clay or plaster of Paris or anything like that for this project. I have decided to do just the paper mache, for which I have used brown paper bag pieces and glue and did the paper macheing on the whole project. Here's the tabletop ready with paper mache and a table base as well. I stuck the tabletop on the table base with the school glue. It really works well. Here's the tabletop stuck on the table base. It's quite sturdy. Now the basic table is ready. We'll start making the elephant head. I rolled the newspaper one over the other until I got this size of the shape. For this project, I'm not going to be doing too much sculpting. It's a very basic elephant head. We are not going to be doing sculpting around the eyes and showing bone structure or anything. It's a very simple elephant head. Once the basic elephant head shape is ready, I covered it with the masking tape. To make the trunk, I stuck the wire on the elephant head. And covered that wire with the newspaper to make the trunk. And covered the whole structure with the masking tape. I rolled aluminum foil in a triangle and covered it with the masking tape to make the mouth of the elephant. By sticking the cardboard pieces, I made the ears look 3D. And now I started paper macheing the elephant head. I suddenly remembered that I forgot the tusks of the elephant. So here I am sticking them in place. Once the elephant head was ready with paper mache, I stuck it on the table as shown. And now painting the elephant. As you can see, I'm not at all good with a 3D outliner, but I have tried my best. And here's my gorgeous elephant table. If you make one, you can use as decoration for Diwali. And here's how it looks from top. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.